All right, so Chuck Hughes, celebrity Canadian chef, has shows on the Food Network. He came on the scene in 2008, and I've loved him since. And now he has condiments out that I want to try. So, best thing to put giardiniera antipasto on? Sausage sandwiches, baby. So that's what we're gonna make. And then we're gonna try this on top of it and see if it's as good as I expect. I air fried my sausage. I have some peppers and onions that I grilled and some provolone. We're gonna make some yummy sandwiches and then put the giardiniera on top. I'm gonna test it out. Open this up, provolone. Put a sausage in here. Oh, there's the juice in there. We wanna keep that. And of course, some peppers, onions. I'm salivating here. Oh, and now what's gonna make it even more fire is some giardiniera. Let's crack open the antipasto and see. Ooh, all of the goodness.
Smell it first.
Smells like a good giardiniera.
Can you just taste it like that?
I will. I'll take some oil out of that.
No. Scratch.
Oh, that's good. Just like Nonna. Good job, Chuck. That's some good stuff. Oh, I'll have to try it on my sandwich. I got to. It's gonna go all over it. This, you can put the oil on it. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't wait to take a bite.
Calm down.
Can't wait.
That's
Putting
just-
more.
it's just a
More. This is a staple.
Not sponsored by Chuck.
No,
Hughes.
just a fan. Just a fan.
You better appreciate.
I'm
You
pushing
watching
that.
this, Chuck?
I hope
We
so.
want a shout out.
Well, let's see if it's good.
Let's go.
Let's see. All right, going in for the bite.
It's dripping. Oh, mouth, my God. Whoa.
That is delicious. It's all over me. The giardiniera just gives the sausage and the peppers just an extra kick. It's so savory, a little bit spicy, and the crisp with the beautiful snap of the sausage and the provolone. Excellent. Guys, if you see it, it's $6.99 at IGA and I think Walmart. Really, give it a try. It's delicious. Chuck Hughes, great job. Highly recommend. Like, subscribe. See you on the flip side.